Hey, everybody. Welcome back to AI Day. This session, vision systems provide actionable data, but that's just the start, is being presented by Thorsten Stremlau of NVIDIA. I'll bring Thorsten out in just a couple of minutes. I have some stuff we need to talk about first. Hopefully, you just left the keynote address, which was delivered by Frank Maker of Roku. He talked about how to design with wake words. It was very, very interesting. If you didn't have a chance to see it, or if you want to see it again, it'll be available in an on-demand version by tomorrow morning at the latest. If you go back to that original registration page that got you here, you'll be able to get to that. If you're wondering who the heck I am, my name is Rich Nass, and I am the Executive Vice President of Open Systems Media. I lead the team for embedded computing design. You should be familiar with what we call ECD because it's filled with great stuff to help you do your design. The AI Day virtual conference is brought to you by Embedded Computing Design, as well as a whole list of people who are speaking and contributing in lots of ways. That list includes Intel, DFI, Infineon, Ambic, Acronix, ST Microelectronics, Samtec, Renesas, NVIDIA, and the IoT Global Network. A few of the housekeeping things that I need to talk about here. Thorsten's presentation will probably take about 40 minutes, and that'll leave us some time to answer your questions when he's done. We will answer as many as we have time for. On the right-hand side of the console, you'll see an area where you can ask your questions in real time. We tend to answer them in chronological order, so don't wait until the presentation's over to ask your question. And like I said, as much as we have time for, that's how many we'll answer. If we don't have time to answer your question, somebody will get back to you after we're done with a response. So everything will be answered somehow, some form. If you have a problem with the console itself, like if I don't sound right or if the slides don't advance right, put that into the question box and one of our tech folks will get back to you with a fix. There's also a tab there that says handouts. If you click on that, you can download a copy of the presentation that Thorsten will be going through. Let's see. Oh, one more important one. We do have a raffle at the end of this session where we'll be raffling off a Kriya robotics starter kit, which comes from AMD. So when Thorsten is done, we'll be calling out a name, but you have to be here. Don't leave. If you're not here, you don't win. Okay, that's it for me. Let's get to the important part of this session. Thorsten, all yours. Take it away.
Thank you, Rich. Thank you for that great introduction. I think it's, I'm not keeping full count, but I think this is my third or fourth time now with you. So thank you for having me again. And today's session, as you already said, is going to be all about vision systems and how they interact. Now, I'm going to be putting a security spin on all of this. I'll be sharing the fantastic work that I've been exposed to at NVIDIA, and also some of the examples of where NVIDIA solutions are using vision systems to provide interactions with the real world, and also take data that we then use in order to create digital twins. And I'll talk to you a little bit about that as well. So